we are widening constantly our definition, and it was a huge omission in our records that we've not looked at the heritage of people who've come into Wales from other parts of the world. And this project is one of the very first to begin to address that. And what you're basically doing is helping us understand just how much Welsh Asians have enriched Welsh life, spiritually, culturally, economically.
Just want to thank everybody for taking the time and the trip to Aberystwyth today. I know it's been a really long one, but listen, we laid on the sunshine for you.
Yes. After lunch, we'll take you up to our search room, our public search room. Rodri in charge of showing you around that.
So this is where we keep most of our paper archives, photographic prints, documents of that nature. There are our site files, and these are one of the key collections we have here. They look like this. They're lovely box files with folders in them, and they have everything from photographs, like surveyors' photographs, to photographs other people have taken, postcards, notes, newspaper clippings, magazine clippings. And so those are a really cool key collection that we have here. One of the most popular, especially for people who just want to kind of come in and see a bit.